you can keep as a memento.
Nice.
I'm sorry, but when I buy a new washing machine, I go, I'm going to keep the box it came in as a souvenir of the day when my washing machine arrived.
I always struggle throwing boxes away.
Why?
Well, because if you take the washing machine out of it and you fit that in your kitchen, and there's the box all crisp and new and empty, and I can't help but look at it and sort of part of my mind sees the potential. Because you look at it and think, wow, that could be like a castle, or a... You've been there! Or a den, or like a car. I'm the same shoe boxes. I don't think I've ever thrown one away ever, because you take it and you think, well, I could keep special things in it, or put it on its side and you could have like a TV screen, or maybe you could use the big box as a spaceship, and then the little one as a dashboard for...
Richard.
Come on, you've been...
Richard, are you all right? Seriously, because this is a man with, there's no other way of putting this, a helicopter licence.
The CIA said I was...
I know, the CIA, if they're watching this, they're going to think he's a madman.
Well, it's not a real helicopter, it's just the box's fridge came in.
Yeah, I just made the noise.
Have you, Laura Morgan? You just, and you don't live in a house, you just live in boxes that things came in.
Now, last week, these two morons spent good money on two second-hand V12 coupes. They spent the same money as you'd spend on the Nissan Pixo, which is the cheapest new car on sale in Britain, and I was prepared to bet all of my hair that within 2 weeks, one of them would have gone pop. So, chaps, what's the news?
My BMW, 100%, not a problem. Thank you, still working perfectly.
There you
Excellent,
go.
really,
there
really
you go.
excellent.
Now,
And
moving on.
No, your Mercedes CL?
My Mercedes, yes,
Yes.
I bought a Mercedes 600 CL.
Yes, you did. It's quite interesting, this, because I have a photograph here that I'd like to share with everybody of the Top Gear car park. There, in fact, is Hammond's BMW.